Hello and welcome to the weekly bench update. Unfortunately, there's not going to be a whole lot of project updates in this video. Just a week of up and down weather kind of knocked my back out, so I need to get that taken care of. And all of the projects kind of are on their own videos. We got the Old Tom Appreciation build. We got Shawn's buddy build with the Apache pickups, and we got a couple of painting videos going on. So again, not a whole lot that we can show you in this video, but I did pick up some cool mail calls and stash ads, so I figured I can at least share those with you guys here. So let's get into it. I'll start off here. We got a couple of stickers in from Jeremiah, who I met down at the Nebraska show. I'm keeping in touch, and he reached out to me to send me a sticker from the Kansas Auto Modelers Society. So I do appreciate that. Really neat sticker there. I do love the kind of the state themes, kind of matches my channel, so do dig that. As far as stash ads, we got one. We'll start over here. This is from Drag City Casting, Mr. Ed Fluck, of course, on Facebook. Put up a post that this was his final kind of standard roof or stock roof 33 Willies. So kind of the fear of missing out. Better get it while you can, especially if this really is the last one. So we've got cool stock roof 33 Willies, kind of a modified Ohio George front end that he calls it. The panels are a little bit different, so there's a good chance we might do an Ohio George build like we got here. There's his kind of early version of his Willys, so it might get a replica build in the future, but we did snag that guy up. Looks like a nice piece. And we also added in a up top. I do believe this is for the 29 Roadsters from Revell. Another nice little piece there from Drag City. So we got a couple of nice pieces for some future projects on Drag City Castings. Definitely gotten a few things from him. Now in front of you is the exchange I had with Shawn. He was after that monogram kit box, so I said, what do you got for AMT 3-in-1s? And he definitely did not disappoint. We got some great ones here that we traded for. Got a 65 Mercury Hollard top, 3-in-1 customizing kit. Kind of rough, but still lots of great color on this kit yet. Assume this is a pretty rare kit. There's nothing in it other than just some small bits and pieces. We got a 61 Mercury Monterey instructions and just a few random bits inside. But we got just a neat little box. Someday we can pick up a kit to add to the box. Next up, we've got this one, definitely my favorite. I love these 58 boxes from AMT. I'd love to get the SMP version of this same box art. So if you've got one you'd like to trade or sell, let me know. Definitely would like to get a pair of them. This is just really a cool box. The first of like the 3-in-1 customizing kits. 58 Pontiac hardtop. I've got a couple of those kits, so it's nice to finally pair up a box to them. Definitely any of those 58s are pretty cool. Again, do appreciate getting this box. Definitely excited about that one. And it also comes with a surprise inside. He threw in a little Ranchero project. Interesting little project. Definitely needs some work done to it, but I think we can do something pretty fun with it. So it's a nice little surprise that we can have fun with it. I do love the kind of El Caminos, Rancheros, station wagons, all the other utility type vehicles. So again, this is definitely my favorite, is these 58 3-in-1 boxes. That's not it. We've got a 59 3-in-1 box. Very cool as well. A little look around. 3-in-1. There's all the 59s. This one, nothing on this side, and it's very faint on this side, but it is 59 Buick convertible. And the part number, and inside there is a 59 Buick convertible. So that's really cool. I definitely love the Buick Invictas. I picked up a few of these lately, but one more certainly isn't going to hurt anything. So again, looking forward to getting on to all of my Buick projects. Just another great 3-in-1 customizing box. And last but not least, we have a 60 customizing hardtop kit. Definitely love these. Unfortunately, we got a sticker on the cover, but still pretty cool box. 3-in-1. We have the 60 Pontiac hardtop. I do have a 60 Pontiac. It's not the 3-in-1. It's the Craftsman version, but still close enough. Once we get her dialed up, we can pair them together or be on the hunt for actual customizing kit to put with it. Inside, there is a kit. Definitely not a 60 Pontiac. We've got a 61 Comet here. So another project. It needs some TLC with some lights. Both of the bumpers are broke. Unfortunately, we can maybe clean those up or just turn it into a cool little custom. But mostly there, the body is nice. We got some glass. So I'm excited to get this. I do love the back fins on these Comets. So again, great little kit. I do appreciate you trading with me, Shawn. I think we both got some really good bits and pieces out of the trade. So super excited to get those into my collection, along with the 33 Willies and stickers, and look forward to some project updates in the coming week. We'll catch you next time.